To some other news now, the opposition leader Mark Golding is questioning why the Jamaican government would sign an agreement to accept third country nationals from the United States when a judge in that country ruled the practice is illegal. A federal judge in February struck down the Trump administration's third country deportation policy, ruling that deporting migrants to countries other than their own without due process or adequate notice is unlawful. The U.S. government was granted temporary resumption to resume the deportations while they appeal that matter, but Mr. Golding says the arrangement is very concerning.
There's a case decided by a federal judge in Massachusetts which said that these third country arrangements are not lawful under U.S. law. The government of the United States is appealing that to their Supreme Court. That matter is not yet resolved. But we are nevertheless embarking upon an arrangement, notwithstanding the fact that the lawfulness of that arrangement in the jurisdiction of the other country that we're signing to is itself very uncertain.
And while the government, in justifying the agreement, says it is offering assistance to its ally, which is the USA, and one of its biggest trading partners, the opposition leader believes that there's more to this particular issue.
But for something like this, you would have expected that Jamaica would have some benefit from taking all these non-Jamaicans, processing them here, becoming responsible for them here, taking the risks inherent in having them here, and having to deal with them if they don't leave. So we're exposing ourselves to a significant amount of exposure by taking these people here, and risks. So, one would expect there to be some benefit flowing in the other direction.